and thinking that nobody has thought. Today, grade 2nd A and 2nd B are presenting a skit on innovation. Let's see!
What happened, my dear?
Dad, it is difficult for me to do that.
I will tell you a story.
Once upon a time, there was a rich man. He wanted to test his servants. One day, he kept a rock on the way to his house, and he hid in the bushes and wanted to see if anyone would move rock. Some of the servants passed by and simply walked around it. None of them did anything about getting the stone removed. An old man came that way. He saw the big stone and tried to push the rock out of the way. After much pushing and straining, he finally managed. The rich man came out of the bushes and he called all the servants and he rewarded many gold coins to the old man. In front of them, the old man was happy.
My dear, in life, we will come across many obstacles that gives us opportunity to improve our circumstances. My dear, see every problem as an opportunity and a chance to become better and to grow.
Dad, I can do it. Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you? Fine. Do you remember what we learned in the last class? About innovation. Very good, children. What is an innovation? Innovation is the way to achieve standout in the environment. Good, Siddharth. Can you give an example? Yes. If the idea is likened to a seed, then innovation is the plant that results from planting and nurturing seed. Excellent. Who is nice from the mountain farm? Okay. It is Martin Cooper. Sarah, who is the father of Martin Cooper? He was born on 26th December 1928. Because of the innovation of smartphone or touch screen, our life changed a lot. It helps us to gain confidence and face any obstacles in life. Now, in this pandemic situation of COVID-19, these smartphones helped us for online class, chatting, video calls. And we CMI Josephites are uploading various celebrations, videos, news reading, book review, etc. in YouTube channel. My dear children, we are inspiring excellence of CMI Josephites. We are